miss your vibe, I miss your waistline.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Makeup by Sunrise. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hey, make sure you click that red button down below to subscribe to join the crew so you know what's going on with me. Today we're basically dyeing the 613 Blonde Transparent HD Lace Front Wig from Ashimary Hair. So this is a 13 by 4 Brazilian human hair wig. It's 26 inches long, straight hair, 250 density. So as you can see, they gave us a few little gifts inside the bag. So they gave us some lashes, some, press-ons, a little edge control brush, elastic headband, and as well as a wig cap. So that is a plus. Thank you so much, Ashimary Hair. And then, of course, the beauty of the hour, the 613 26-inch blonde hair. Let's get into it, okay? So right now I'm just taking it out the bag. This is my first reaction seeing it. So it comes with like a little net right over it, and then as you can see, I'm just going to run my fingers through it to see if there's any shedding going on. And first couple of like run throughs, there was no shedding, and then probably like by the third or fourth I probably got like 1 or 2 hair strands, which is pretty good. So first time buying from this company out of my own money. Yes, I bought it with my own money. This is not sponsored. So just to give you guys a little backstory on that. And then there's 4 clips on the inside of the wig, and then you have the little elastic band in the back so that you can make your wig looser or tighter for your preference. And that's pretty much it. So the dye that I'm going to use today is the Adore dye, number 116 in Purple Rage. So I'm doing the watercolor method, which is pretty simple. You got to get some hot boiling water. Please be careful. I use the old clothing bin that I don't use anymore to put the boiling hot water in there. Distributed the dye, mix it around, make sure that it's fully dissolved, and then I dip the wig in it. What I normally see the girls do is dip the whole wig, but from other videos where I've seen like professional stylists do, they basically dip the ends of the wig and then go in like you see right here and manually dye the frontal because you want to avoid getting dye on the wig. So please be very, very careful with that and enjoy the rest of the video. If you're unfamiliar with this method that I'm about to use, well, let me put you on, sis, because this is something that I've been seeing the girls here on YouTube and some of the industry hairstylists have been using to slay some wigs. This is called the ball cap method, but this is not your average ball cap method. This is the one with the pantyhose. We're not using the wig cap that came in the package. We're using some pantyhose. The reason why I've seen this trending a lot is because it blends so much easier underneath the wigs because the pantyhose is much more sheer compared to a wig cap that has a little more color. It's more opaque. So what you see me here do, basically put one end of it on, cut it in the back, and then use the got-to-be glue in the yellow can to basically secure the wig cap. Not the wig cap, but you know what I'm saying, the ball cap. And then I'm going to cut off the excess and then continue the installation. y'all. So basically, this is 1 week later. The night when I was actually installing this wig, it was my birthday and I was going out. I didn't want to be late, so basically I just cut off the camera and finished getting ready. I decided to go with the middle part. So basically, I'm just going to show you a reinstall of this wig because technically I had work the next day and I could not go to work with purple hair. So if you know about that life, then you feel me on that one. But let's continue. So the next step is basically a personal preference. You can use the same elastic band or you could use a satin head tie, but I chose to use a satin head tie because I feel like the baby hairs will come out much softer and not so like stick on. And baby, when I tell you, just look. Moment of silence. Woo! Okay. Listen, I'm still surprised that it was me that did this install, like fully. Come to my salon. Join the club. Join the crew. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.